thing I want to talk about is really patient safety and comfort. 99% of places that perform hair transplant, they do it in an office, in an unaccredited office. Ours is a Joint Commission accredited facility, and that means a lot to you. What that means is a couple things. Number one is safety. We have everything that is there for your safety during the procedure, but also to me as important is comfort. A lot of my patients that have been elsewhere that have had hair transplant procedures come back and tell me after they've had my procedure how much discomfort they had during the procedure, that it was really, really miserable. And if you're uncomfortable, it leads to several problems. One, it makes the surgery much more difficult. And the other problem with it is that it feels as if the whole day is so long. I always say it's like flying to London in an economy class versus flying to a state a couple hours away. So it's a much shorter feeling. The other component is that hair restoration is not a procedure that's done once in a lifetime. It can be done several times. And if you have a really traumatic experience with your hair experience, you're going to remember that. And that leaves a scar on your mind, a post-traumatic stress disorder. So we are one of the few places in the nation that has a fully accredited facility to perform your procedure, allowing us to give you what's called conscious sedation and making the experience incredibly pleasant, eliminates that anxiety and makes the day feel much shorter. So that is one of the key elements that differentiates us from other places.